All right, so we see that TCM supports the whole person, not only stress and emotional regulation, but anything digestive, hormones, pain relief, and energy. But what is it exactly? So TCM is like this umbrella that encompasses all of these different approaches, modalities, and techniques. So from martial arts to Tai Chi, Qigong, all the massage modalities, Tuina, acupuncture, acupressure, shiatsu is all part of TCM. And then we use tools. So you see I've got cups here. We have gua sha, okay? So traditionally we use like the Chinese spoon, but nowadays you'll see gua sha tools like this. This is also one for the face. Okay, I recently came back from Thailand. I picked up this cool little tool. You can like scratch your head, but really nice. So it's a form of gua sha because basically it just means it's a scraping. So we're stimulating or applying friction to the skin and the tissues to help what? Move the blood, stagnation. Okay, so oftentimes with gua sha or cupping, you're gonna see these marks on the surface, but those marks are just stagnant blood coming to the surface, ready to be brought back into general circulation. Okay, so I like to also combine like Chinese medicine techniques with lymphatic drainage, for example, you know, so that it can help flush the stagnant blood. We do have a couple of reference books that we use throughout the program. This is a really great thing. It's called moxa bushin. So this is a little artemisia herb stick, and you light it and gets really hot. We don't touch the skin or burn it. There are practices of direct moxa, but we don't puncture or burn the skin. You hold it above the point, okay? And it's heat, so it's yang, and it's energy going into the point and zoop, warming up the entire meridian. So in climates like this, where we have long, damp winters, we go through a lot of moxa, okay? Right, guys? We all practice TCM and acupressure. I just threw these in because these are the tuning forks, but I love them. So you have the C and the G. So you have the masculine and the feminine, right? And together they represent balance. So these are really nice to demonstrate that. And then of course, Chinese herbology, which is a huge study. We touch on it briefly just in terms of the patent formulas and understanding imbalances and how we can use herbs to treat a person. But the real Chinese herbology is like a whole 4-year program, right? It's very, very intense. And also, of course, treatment, receiving sessions, and lifestyle. So a lot of lifestyle suggestions will be implemented throughout your learning, but also throughout your practice when you're with clients. Imagine yourself now in a few months or a few years being able to read the body fluently. Imagine understanding the patterns instead of just chasing symptoms. As Ecole Setsuko, we train therapists, not just technicians.